1. Interface flyable. This line declares an interface named flyable. Interfaces in Java are used to define a contract, listing methods that implementing classes must provide without any implementation details. 2. Void fly. This line declares an abstract method fly within the interface flyable. Any class that implements flyable must provide a concrete implementation of this method. 3. Abstract class animal. This line defines an abstract class animal. Abstract classes in Java allow for shared properties and methods while enabling subclasses to implement specific functionality. 4. String name. Declares a name attribute for the animal class. This instance variable can be used by any subclass of animal, like bird. 5. Animal, string name. This is a constructor for animal, which initializes the name attribute. Constructors in abstract classes can be used to initialize data for subclasses. 6. This.name equals name. Assigns the constructor's name parameter to the instance variable name. 7. Void eat. Defines a concrete method eat in the animal class. This method is common to all animal subclasses and does not need to be overridden unless specific behavior is required. 8. System.out.println name plus is eating. Prints a message showing that the animal is eating. Since it's a concrete method, subclasses inherit it automatically. 9. Abstract void makeSound. Declares an abstract method makeSound, which subclasses of animal, like bird, must implement. 10. Class bird extends animal implements flyable. Declares a class bird that extends the abstract class animal and implements the flyable interface. In Java, you can only extend one class, single inheritance, but you can implement multiple interfaces, multiple inheritance. 11. Bird, string name. This is the constructor for bird, which accepts a name and passes it to the animal constructor using super. 12. Super, name. Calls the superclass, animal, constructor, initializing the name attribute in the animal class. 13. At override public void fly. Implements the fly method from the flyable interface, as required for any class implementing an interface. 14. System.out.println name plus is flying. Prints a message indicating the bird is flying. This is the specific implementation of fly for bird. 15. At override void makeSound. Implements the makeSound abstract method from animal, as required for any subclass of animal. 16. System.out.println name plus chirps. Prints a message indicating the bird's sound. This is the specific implementation of makeSound for bird. Key differences. Single inheritance versus multiple inheritance. In Java, a class can extend only one superclass, abstract or concrete, because of single inheritance. However, a class can implement multiple interfaces, allowing for flexibility in implementing multiple behaviors. Purpose. Abstract classes are useful when you have shared fields, methods, or constructors that subclasses can inherit. Interfaces are suitable when you need multiple, unrelated classes to implement the same set of methods without sharing code. This example shows that bird can inherit properties from animal and still implement flyable, taking advantage of both shared code and flexible behavior.